In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete suggested for you on your Facebook. So you can frequently see these kind of suggested for you on your newsfeed of your Facebook. These kind of pages are suggested to you based upon your interactions on Facebook. Now to remove a particular post, you can tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on hide post and see fewer posts like this. Now what you need to do is you need to repeat this process as soon as you see some kind of post that you don't like. Now the other thing that you can do is you can tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen, and if you scroll down from here, you can tap on settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now from this page, you'll need to scroll down until you find a section of Facebook activity. Here it says view or clear activity from businesses that you visit off Facebook. Now if you tap on this, you'll get an option to clear the history. When you visit a certain kind of page on Facebook, Facebook algorithm starts to show you more of these kind of posts that they think is interesting to you. You can remove this by tapping on clear history and again tap on clear history. After you do that, you can come back to this page again and tap on apps and websites and make sure that under preferences, app, website and games is turned off. After you do these few steps, you should see that suggested posts will start to appear less and it will only show you posts that you are like and are interested in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.